The future is being built today. In a world where skills define success, the question is, are you equipped to be a part of it? At SSI Training Institute, we open the doors to possibilities, preparing you to thrive in a competitive and ever-changing landscape. For welders and technicians earning meager wages, and for students who feel stuck with limited options, the future may seem bleak. Automation and evolving industries are widening the skills gap, leaving many behind. But change is possible. At SSI Training Institute, we transform lives. With over 3 decades of expertise, we empower even 8th Standard Pass students to become job-ready, ensuring no one is left behind. Our specialized courses are designed to meet the needs of today and tomorrow: CNC machining, welding, industrial oil and gas pipeline, non-destructive testing, AutoCAD and Inventor Comprehensive, SolidWorks, KTIA, NX Siemens, Pro-E, Ansaus S, solar panel assembly and installation, aero modeling and drone technology, hydraulic and pneumatic systems, PCB designing, programming basics in C, embedded systems, communication systems, integrated product design. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, we have something for everyone. Our 22,500 square foot campus is equipped with cutting-edge facilities, including CNC laser cutting machines, advanced welding setups, and dedicated design labs. Our tools and trainers ensure that every student gets industry-ready training. The heart and soul of SSI Training Institute lie in its visionary founder, Mr. C.S. Sasikumar. With over 25 years of industrial experience, he embarked on a mission to bridge the skills gap in India. His dedication has empowered thousands of students to achieve their dreams and redefine their futures. Under his guidance, SSI has grown into a beacon of hope and excellence in technical education. With SSI, your journey doesn't end at training, it begins. Our guaranteed placements ensure that every skill learned opens doors to opportunities in India and abroad. The fourth industrial revolution is here, and it demands adaptability. The World Economic Forum predicts 85 million jobs may be displaced by 2025, but 97 million new roles will emerge. SSI equips you with the skills to lead in this new world. Our alumni are shaping the future in engineering, technology, and manufacturing. Their success is a testament to SSI's commitment to excellence. The future doesn't wait. Join SSI Training Institute today and turn your dreams into reality. Let's create a brighter future together. Contact us today. Plus 91 95 63 09999 www.ssitradinginfo.com